Hey everybody, this is your week 7. This is your week 7 introductory video. Last week we looked at motor skills, really looked at manipulative skills. You had to do a juggling assignment, some video assignments in that week, but you learned a lot about manipulative skills, and these are things we do before we learn games. So this week we're going to be looking at game skills. So there's a couple different things you'll have to do. There is a dance assignment. So last week you guys had to juggle, and you had to do an assignment where you filmed yourself throwing. This week you're going to have to film yourself dancing. So make sure that you go to that and look over that, learn the dance, and be ready to film yourself doing that later on this week. So let me just kind of walk through what you're going to do. Game skills is what we're really focusing on. So you're going to look at the Catch program. The Catch program has a YouTube channel. Let's see, I'll show you the YouTube channel. And they've got some great games here. It's the Catch program is a full program that works with health, works with the community, works with the cafeteria. There's a lot of different things they have. But on their YouTube channel, if you click videos, there's a lot of different games and things. These are some different games over, under, around, and through. There's different games that you can use. And you'll have to look through these and pick a game out to use as a submission for an assignment. But the Catch program is a really good resource for you to use with your students. The next assignment is going to be creating and modifying games. So this is a lecture that I do that gives you some ideas of how to create games and how to modify games so that your students all have a really good experience. All of this information comes from your book. There's a quiz associated with this assignment. Here's one on teaching games. So there's a lot of things about how do you set up games, how do you organize your students, how do you organize your space, whether it's a classroom or a gym or a playground, whatever it is. This information again is in the book, but there is a quiz that's associated with that assignment. This is one, I think this is a great resource. This is Coach Perillo on YouTube, and he's got a great YouTube channel with a ton of games, and he really takes a lot of time to explain what these games are. So this is his YouTube channel, and there's a lot of videos here with him. All of these are him teaching different games. He goes through the resources and the things that you'll need for these games, but they're a lot of fun. They're easy to do, and he really does a nice job of putting things together for you. So it's a really good resource. And you'll have to pick a game off of here and submit it as, submit the URL as an assignment. So it's a real simple assignment for you to do. So here's week 7. So you'll have a Catch activity assignment where you'll go to their YouTube channel and pick a game that you like. You'll do the same with the Coach Perillo YouTube channel. The dance assignment here, there's a video. I'll show you this video real quick. We're not going to play it. But this is a video of a PE teacher teaching his class, I should add, but he's teaching his class how to do this dance. So he's going to walk you through learning the dance. And then at the end, they're going to play the music and you're going to do the dance. You're going to have to film yourself doing the dance. So I want to see that you learned it, and that will help you learn how to organize things so you can teach dances to your students. Everybody will enjoy dancing. The young kids will enjoy dancing. Hopefully you'll enjoy dancing. It's a way for you to get up and get involved with your students. The students will certainly enjoy having you teach dances and do dances in class. They're great brain breaks. If you're teaching a math class and the students seem to get bored or lose their focus, you could stop, do a dance with everybody for about 5 minutes, and then sit back down and they'll be focused again. So it's a good opportunity to do some things. So there's your dance assignment. You'll have to film that. You'll need to get somebody to film you doing that, and make sure you have a good quality video. And the last thing is your favorite game discussion. You're going to talk a little bit about games that you played when you were in elementary school and what some of your favorite games were. So things are pretty basic in terms of the content for week 7. The dance assignment is the one that will probably take the most time and take the most organization for you, but there's some great resources there, a lot of really good information in this week's module. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know, and I'll be glad to help. Good luck.